This is SHARMA Solution Class 12, Chapter 11, Differentiation. We are taking the MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. This is y equals under root sine x plus y. It is not sine x plus y, it is sine x plus y. So this is the reference for those who want to proceed by themselves. So y is equal to under root sine x plus y. Now this is in under root. So what we can do here is, we can square both the sides because we have to find out dy by dx. Let us say this. So we have sine x plus y whole square. So root will go y square. Then we'll do the differentiation. Both sides. So I'm doing dy by dx on both the sides, either side. So 2y dy by dx is equal to sine x will be equal to cos x. And then we have y and then dy by dx because y is dy by dx. Now take dy by dx on one side. So dy by dx I'm taking common. So we have 2y minus 1 equals cos x. Okay. Now this dy by dx becomes cos x. 2y minus 1 goes into the denominator. This is your final result. Okay. So you can choose the best option here. Next one is 3 sine xy plus 4 cos xy is equal to 5. Then dy by dx is equal to what? So we will try to find out dy by dx directly, and let me tell you, the first one is the answer. How does it come, or how it is going to come? See, 3 cos sine xy is 3 cos xy. I am differentiating it. And xy, because xy is already there, so xy differentiation will be x dy by dx. I am doing it using the product rule. And y dy by dx of x is 1. So it will be x dy by dx plus y. So let us write this, x dy by dx plus y. And here we have plus 4. Cos xy is minus sin xy. So minus sin xy. And then the xy. So again same thing, x dy by dx plus y. Alright, this is equal to 5. Differentiation of 5 or any constant is always 0. Now let us take this x dy by dx plus y common, because this term is in both the main terms. So x dy by dx I'm taking common. I'm taking this common. What is going to remain? 3 cos xy minus 4 sin xy. Okay. Now you see cos and sin has the maximum value of minus 1 and 1. Right. So in either way, whatever combination is there, it is not going to be 0. So eventually x dy by dx plus y will be equal to 0. Okay. Because these two terms, either of them has to be 0 or both of them has to be 0. So we are taking x dy by dx plus y equals 0. So y goes here, minus y. Dy by dx will give you minus y by x. This is your first option. This one. Okay, this question in different exercises what we have discussed, and this has already been done, and you can just refer to it if you want to. I can give you a solution also. This is the solution for you. But those who are only doing the multiple choice question, they are only interested in multiple choice question. Let me do it here. So this sine y is equal to x sine a plus y. So we have this sine y equals x sine a plus y. Now dy by dx will do. D by dx of this. Both sides. So we are doing d by dx on either side. Sine y will be cos y. And there will be dy by dx also because we are doing it with respect to x. Now x sine a plus y is cos a plus y. Then we have sine a plus y. And d by dx of x is 1. D by dx of x is 1. And what will be the final one? Now, when you are doing this sine a plus y, there will be a plus y differentiation also. So one thing is remaining here, it will be dy by dx, because a plus y differentiation, a is 0 and y is dy by dx. So a plus y, the final thing will be dy by dx. So you have to include this dy by dx also in the first term of the right hand side. Okay, now let us take dy by dx on one side, and then we can do the same thing which we have been doing up till now. We'll take dy by dx common. So we have dy by dx. Here we have cos y minus x cos a plus y and this is equal to sin a plus y. Alright? Okay. Now there is one thing. You see, in the answer, all the 4 options, there is no x on the right hand side. Means the answer options does not contain x. So x can be computed from the original equation. X is equal to sin y by sin a plus y. So dy by dx is already there. Cos y. In place of x, let us replace it by sin y by sin a plus y. Sin y by sin a plus y. And then we have cos a plus y here. And this is equal to sin a plus y. Okay. Now let us take LCM. This is cos y into sin a plus y minus sin y into cos a plus y divided by sin a plus y. So just cross multiply and then multiply the denominator and just write it. This is how the LCM is taken here. And then we have in the denominator, we have sin a plus y. So let me write sin a plus y here. Okay. This is equal to sin a plus y, and since here sin a plus y is on the right hand side and it is in the denominator also, we can multiply them and write the sin square. Now you see this sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is what? Sin a minus b. It is sin a minus b only. So sin a plus y minus y gets cancelled. It will be sin a in the numerator. And you have sin square a plus y in the denominator already. So this sin a goes in the denominator. So dy by dx equals to sin square a plus y divided by sin a, and you must choose the equivalent option from the choices being provided. Sin square a plus y divided by sin a. This is your dy by dx. The derivative of cos inverse 2x square minus 1 with respect to cos inverse x is. So this also question we have already covered while we are doing exercises. But we'll do it again. The best thing is to either you do it with cos inverse normal minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square type, or you can put something. For example, the first thing is u, second thing is v. So u is cos inverse 2x square minus 1. So x is equal to cos theta we are going to put. So theta will give you cos inverse x. Because if you put cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta from trigonometry, we already know that. So we get u is equal to cos inverse, and this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. So I'll just write cos 2 theta here. And now you can cancel cos and cos inverse. So you'll get 2 theta. And theta is what? Cos inverse x dy by dx. Du by dx you have to do. So this theta becomes cos inverse x. Write it here. Cos inverse x. Now when you differentiate it, it will be minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Okay, du by dx is already done. V is already cos inverse x. So you can do directly dv by dx is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. But if you want to do it the way the first part is being done, you can always put cos theta in place of x. And that will not give you any benefit because cos inverse cos theta, cos inverse gets cancelled. Theta is there. Theta is already cos inverse x. So dv by dx will be cos inverse x differentiation, which is negative 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So the same thing comes here also. But what we have to do is du by dv. We have found out du by dx and dv by dx. So in order to get du by dv, you need du by dx divided by dv by dx. Alright. So what we'll do is, we'll take this dv by dx and divide it with minus 2 by under root 1 minus x square. So let me put it here. Under root 1 minus x square is common, so it can cancel. Minus minus gets cancelled, you get a 2. The answer is 2. So the first option in this 4 options is correct. It is 2. Now fx is under root x square plus 6x plus 9, then f dash x is equal to. Alright. Now what you have to do, there are 2-3 questions coming like that. X square plus 6x plus 9. Now this is a square, this is a perfect square. Perfect square. And when you take the square and take the under root, you cancel root with square, you have to put the final answer in between the absolute values. That is x square plus 9 is 3 square and 6x can be written as 2 into 3x. So it is x plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square. So this a plus b whole square, which is x plus 3 whole square, fx, is root x plus 3 whole square. So as I was suggesting, when you cancel this root with the square, you cannot just write x plus 3. Because it can be minus x plus 3 whole square, it can be plus x plus 3 whole square. So it has to be put in inside the absolute value or modulus. So x plus 3 will be positive when x plus 3 is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0 actually. And minus x plus 3, minus x plus 3, when x plus 3 is less than 0. What do you get from the first one? X plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0 is x is greater than or equal to minus 3. X plus 3 is greater than or equal to minus 3. This is a simple equality or inequality. And minus x plus 3 when x is less than minus 3. You have here 3, 3. Okay. On left and right, we know now what we have to do. Actually, it's minus 3. It's not 3 in the graph I showed. F dash x is, what is the differentiation of x plus 3? It is going to be 1. d by dx of these. We are taking the differentiation now. So x plus 3 differentiation is 1. X plus 3 differentiation is 1 and negative is also there. So it will be negative 1. So negative 1. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and x is less than or equal to x is less than minus 3. 1 for this, negative 1 for this. Now come to the options. This option minus 1 for x less than minus 3, it is already given. We found it. So this is going to be your final answer. This is your answer, okay. Fx is modulus of x squared minus 9x plus 20. Now f dash x is equal to what? Same thing we are going to do, but now you see this x square minus 9x plus 20 can be written in the form of the factors. What are the factors? And these factors will give you the points, the boundary or the different intervals you have to check. So x square minus 9x can be written as minus 4x minus 9x and 20 can be written as 20. X take common x minus 4, minus 5 common x minus 4. So it will be x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, x minus 4 into x minus 5. So basically the point of actually the intervals can be found out using putting it as 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. X minus 5 is equal to 0 is x equal to 5. So 4 and 5 are the points. So we have what intervals? Minus infinity to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to infinity. Since it is modulus, it will be plus for something and negative for something. So we'll find out the fx. So negative infinity to 4, it is going to be positive. How is it positive? If you have any say doubt, just put the value. Just put some value like 3. If you put 3x minus 3, 3 minus 5, so what are you going to get? This. So minus infinity to 4, you need to put value and you will see what value will come. So it will be positive. Okay. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, so you will get a positive. The second interval is 4 to 5. Now you put any value. Again put any value. Just put 4.5 for example. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are not inclusive. Please remember. 4 and 5 are not inclusive. So any doubt? Just put the value between 4 and 5. So this is going to be 4.5. X minus 4 is 4.5 minus 4. And x minus 5 is 4.5 minus 5. This is going to be 0.5. This is going to be minus 0.5. So whatever comes, we are not concerned with the number. We are concerned with the sign. So it will be negative x square minus 9x plus 20. Now go up or go above 5. 5, that is you have to go above 5. 5 and infinity. 5 is inclusive here. So when you go up, just put the value of 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Or you put 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So x square minus 9x plus 20. So this is the most critical point of this question. If you understand this, other things will be very easy. Now let us do the f dash x. Take the differentiation. It will be 2x minus 9. And the intervals are very important. Minus infinity to 4. X square minus 9x plus 20. X square will be 2x. I am differentiating it. And 9x differentiation will be minus 9 only. Again same thing, 2x minus 9 and negative will be outside. Same thing. The interval will be 4 and 4. 4 and 5. Again x square minus 9x plus 20. d2x minus 9 is the differentiation. So just write the intervals properly because the answer, the options are also giving you a hint of the intervals. So these are the intervals I am writing, and now let us go. Okay, minus 2x minus 9 is, if you multiply minus inside, it will be minus 2x plus 9. So minus 2x plus 9 between 4 and 5 is given in the question. This is minus 2x plus 9. So if you see the third option, it is actually matching what we did just now. Okay, it is not minus 2x plus 9 is the first option also, but for it is for x belongs to R. But we got it for 4 and 5, between 4 and 5. Minus 2x plus 9 is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer which I am highlighting here.